And if you want to mint your NFT here, so the next thing is to mint NFT using OKS wallet. So if you want to mint your NFT here, you press here. Let's touch it and see. All right, so let's go. So we go here. As you can see, I don't have any birds in here. I don't have, but I guess I have worms and eggs here. Yes, I know I have eggs and I know I have worms. So let's touch one of these worms and see how much are you going to sell it. The P is 3. Okay 3%. Let me say I'm going to sell it 10. I'm going to sell the 10 seed. All right, let's confirm and see. So the price is too high, I think. Let me put 5. Is high. Let me use 2. Okay, 1. All right, so as you can see, you can just sell them at 1. All right, this is how to mint the NFT. We go for the second one. This one too, I will say I'll put 1. I will say it 1. This one too, I will say it's 1. Let me put 2 and see if 2 is gonna work here. I'll press 2. It's not gonna work. I have to put 1 here. See, selling price is 1. This one too, you can mint all of this. All right, you can see this one is 1 too. All right, this one I will say it 1 because it is all the same. This one I will try selling it 5 and see. Yes, I sold it at 5. This one 5. This one is a rare one. This one we go 1. This one I will say it 1 too. So this is how you mint. This one I will sell it 1. So here are the uncommon. These are the. Let's try selling this one at 20. Let's touch 20. Confirm. No, it's too high. Let's make it 10. Confirm. It's too high. Let's make it 6. Let's make it 5. All right. Confirm. All right. So it's not up to that. Let's leave it at 3. So you can sell this one at 3. This one we are going to take it to 10. Let's put 10. It's unusual, less than 10. Let's put 6. This one we sold that one at 6. Let's see this one. This one is uncommon, so we are going to sell it at 5 and see. It's not going to go that way. Let's put 4. It's 3 and the highest is 3. All right, so 3 seed, as you can see. So we are done with the minting of NFT. We are done with the minting of this worms NFT. The next thing is we go for the X. All right, when we go for the X is, you see we have these 2 different X. Let's see how much we are going to sell them. The first one, we touch the first one. We want to sell. Do you want to sell? Do you want to hatch, or do you want to transfer? So let's try selling them. We are going to sell it. Let's see how much we're going to sell them. Let's put 20. Confirm sale. List successfully. Wow, 20. Let's see this one. Basic egg. Let's sell this one at 100. Can we guys sell, or can we hatch? This one cannot be sold. We can only hatch or transfer. So we are going to hatch this one. Let's hatch. Check inventory. Congratulations, this is what we have got. So we are going to mint this. Call it seeds. Sparrow. All right, so we have got birds now. Wow, we have got 1 bird. Let's see if we can sell it. Can we mint this one? Let's go back. Let's go to the minting area here. My wallet is connected already, so let's go into the minting area here. On let's go to the mint. We have minted our NFTs already, so mission incomplete. We have to mint this one too. So care for your birds and they will gather items for you every day. Sparrow but collect seed, find worms, common ones and common rare worms. So I think we have to wait for, I don't know how long this is going to take, but we have to wait a bit. All right, so as you all guys can see, this is how to connect your wallet and how to do the main thing. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to go and like this video, share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is gonna help a lot. All right, so thank you for watching this video.